Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty, and today we'll be taking a look at the I Love Ink Precision Cartridges from the world famous Tina Davies Professional. Designed by Tina herself, these needle cartridges have been created to meet the demands of PMU artists who require only the best in terms of precision, accuracy, comfort and performance. As the name suggests, these cartridges allow artists to create stunning results with maximum precision across a whole range of permanent makeup treatments, from brows to lips to eyeliner. The ultra-flexible needles within the cartridges have been designed to mimic a brushstroke for effortless ink deposit with minimal trauma to the skin. The elongated tip of the cartridge allows for accurate pigment placement and a smooth, even pigment flow whilst working. The unique silicone finger ledge provides maximum control and comfort for the artist and helps to reduce fatigue on the hand during long treatments. Configurations available include 1-liner, 3-liner, 3-shader and 5-shader, in diameters ranging from 0.25 to 0.35mm. These cartridges are also available in 7 curved magnum and 9 curved magnum in 0.25mm, meaning that there is a cartridge to suit every artist and every PMU style. The patented safety membrane prevents backflow, meaning that no pigment or fluid can leak back into the grip and contaminate or damage the machine. The soft membrane tension reduces any strain on the motor whilst running for optimum performance of your PMU machine. Each precision cartridge comes in individual sterile blister packaging, which states the needle configuration, diameter, lot number and expiration date. They have a universal connection and are compatible with a huge range of rotary permanent makeup machines, such as the Xyon S from Microbow and the Stigma Force wireless PMU machine. The Tina Davies Precision cartridges have exploded onto the PMU scene, and it's easy to see why they are so popular among artists. If you want to try the Tina Davies Precision cartridges, there's a link in the description below to order from Killer Beauty today. If you have tried these cartridges already, let us know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.